Good day everyone. For today's video, I will be discussing the first part for my final requirement in user experience design. Using the Adobe XD, we were tasked to create an e-commerce application for both website and mobile design. As you can see, I did my mood board first for both website and mobile design. This one. I did my mood board first for both website and mobile design, so it will be easy to me to visualize the application that I want to make. This picture that I edited on Canva, I make sure that I use a presentable and accurate image for my product name, and also I match the image editing process according to the color theme that I want. My color palette are more on earth tone, more on brownish, or something related on the color of coffee. While on the font, I use Trebuchet MS because I find it really cool and more formal for my coffee shop design. So here is also my personal logo that I made on Canva, named 1003 Kali Copy. Those number are really important to me or have meanings to me. So, and the next side is these are my buttons and icons that I use along the way of process. So now I'll be showing you my progress for both platform or both for both website and mobile design. Both both of them I applied what I learned from our previous sessions, which is the repeat grid for me to easily duplicate the things that I wanted to be repeated, and also applying the vertical and horizontal scrolling for a more advanced and better user performance. So let's take a look for my website design. So in my website design, and in initial process, I have already created 18 pages. This one for home page. On my home page, you can see my logo, the menu and gift button, and then the sign in and join now button, and then this one start an order button, also my logo and my tagline. Here also you can see this one. This is where if you scroll down my page, you can see some of the drinks that is available on my shop. The pictures is there. Also there is a text explaining what the menu all about. So here. So for another page, which is the sign in page. So basically you just sign in there if you already have an account. Yeah. This one you can see my shop name, also join now button, which is for the new user if you haven't yet registered, and then my social icons, and then if you click this join now or the register, you'll be re- redirecting on the sign up screen page where you will need to log in or put your personal information such as the first name, last name, email address, password, and so on. There is also the terms of use where you'll be needing to check if you already read the terms and condition and the privacy notice before creating an account. So that is. So for the next page, which is the for the next page is the user's profile. So on my user's profile, you can see the personal details, wish list, orders, and then the log out button. For the personal details, you can see your personal details, your details such as the first name, last name, and your email address, which you can also edit or update your personal what you call this personal details. On the second part is the wish list. So wish list is all about the things that you've already the things that you added on your cart but you haven't yet checked out. So here I already use this one, the vertical scroll method. And the next page is for orders. For your orders, you can see all your orders such as your complete order, your cancellation order, and also the ongoing order. On all, you can see the ongoing, completed, and then canceled order. So if these buttons are also clickable, if you go on ongoing button, you will see the at the right moment or the at the moment order, or this one. I also your order here, the quantity, and then you can see this one. There's also the subtotal of your order, the payment details such as the select payment methods or ID, and then voucher. So for that is for the ongoing button. Also the completed or your previous order, you can see it on the completed button, this one. There is the amount of items, and then the time and date of your purchase, also the total of your purchase, and then you can reorder again your purchase or the product you've already ordered. So for this, the fourth button, the cancel button here, this one. So also on your user's profile, you can see the logout button. Logout button, when you click this, you'll be redirecting on the front page or the landing page. Let's see if I've already put the prototype here. Okay, wait a moment, sorry. Yes. So let's continue. So for the next one is my menu page. On my menu page, you can see the drinks and food that my shop offers. So for my drinks, there is espresso bar, lattes and flavored drinks, trendy and seasonal drinks and non-coffee drinks. And for the food, there is a breakfast and pastry, light bites and sandwiches, and then Italian pasta. So for this, the function for this is, if you click on my menu and then you go on the drinks, you will see the category of my product, such as the espresso bar, lattes, trendy and seasonal drinks, and then the non-coffee. All this is functional. If you click this one, you'll be going on the assigned pages, such as if you click this espresso bar, you'll be going on the espresso bar, and so on and so forth, like this. All these are clickable. And I also applied the what do you call this, the horizontal scrolling, like swiping right and left. I did that, and also here. So here, if I click my profile, I'll be going on the profile, and so on and so forth. On the menu, I also created on the food category. If I click on the food category, I'll be seeing the three menu for my food, which is the breakfast and pastry, light bites, sandwiches, and then the Italian pizza. These images also responsive or clickable. If you click on the breakfast pastry, you'll be redirecting on the breakfast and pastry page. On these letters, or this is also responsive or clickable, like on my images. So that's conclude my website design. So now I'll be running or showing you the initial prototype for my website design. So for here, so you can see, this is the logo and the menu and the gift button, sign in and join, and then start order. And then you can also scroll down. For my first menu, the espresso bar, there's also a text and that explaining what espresso bar means. Then swiping, you can see my product here, like that. Also here, another one. Okay, and next one for here, for my trendy and seasonal drinks. Okay, and then the next one. So if you're a new user, if you click on my menu, you'll be needing to sign in first before continuing on ordering or adding your desired product. So if you already signed in, you already have an account, you can sign in directly, and then you'll be going to the menu page. But before that, let's click my logo, and then we'll be directing on my front page, or this one. And then the sign in. Here, if you're a new user or you haven't have an account yet, you can join or register, and then okay, here, and then create an account. That's it. So you're now on the menu page, and also here the categorize product that I offered. So here also you can swipe here, you can click espresso bar. So like that, since espresso bar is only 3 product, this is all the product that I have on espresso bar. And then if I go to drinks also, I can click the latest favorite flavored like that, and then drinks, trendy and seasonal like that. Like also here, this is also clickable. Okay, as well as this one, the food, this is also clickable like that. I also the I also on the name of my product, there also a simple description of the product that I have. So let's continue. Let's see it. And then the Italian pasta. So now let's take a look for my profile, the user's profile. So we have the personal details, wish list, and then orders. For the personal details, you can edit, or you can see your personal information and then you can edit it. And then for the wish list, or the things that in the future you want to place an order or the added on the card, there is the counts of the amount of items in the cart here. And then for your order, like this, and then for ongoing, completed, and then canceled order. So let's click, so let's try to log out. Okay, so that's all for my e-commerce website design. So let's now proceed on my e-commerce mobile design. So let's proceed to my initial progress on the mobile design. I have already used 28 pages as you can see here. The first one is for my landing page. The second one is the sign-in page, and then sign-in screen, and then my home page. My home page, you can see the search bar, the categorized products of my shop, and then my logo and my tagline. You can also click this one, this featured menu, the add to cart icon, and then my navigation bar. For the next one is the search page. So on the search page, you can search for your desired drinks or food that you wanted to place an order. So for my view cart, which is this one, if you click this icon, you'll be seeing the view cart, or the things that you're about to place order. So here, so on view cart, there is the time for your delivery time, and then the address of the shop, and then the address of where it should be delivered. Then this is your items that will be placed order. Then there are also recommendation, and so on and so forth. And then this one, So for the next page is for my menu page. So for my menu page, you can see the home. You can see home here. This is clickable. So basically you'll be redirecting on the home page. So on my menu page, you can see the search icon and then the categorize icon. The search icon, if you click this one, you'll be seeing this what the search screen or the search page, and then if you click this categorize with the category icon, you'll be seeing here. So it will easy to you to choose the desired menu that you want to place order. There's an espresso bar, lattes, trendy, non-coffee, breakfast, light bites, and then the Italian pasta. So for here, so also here, this is the menu that my shop offered. Also, I apply the vertical the I apply the horizontal scrolling, and for my product there I also applied the the vertical scrolling. So here I did that on to all the menu that I have. So you can see the name of my product, the simple description, and then the what do you call it, the amount of my product. So on the bottom, this one, the view card, like if you're already done on placing or placing an order, or if you're already, what do you call this, your added product, or the product that you wish to place order, you can view this one. You can click this view card button, and then you'll be seeing this one, this whole page where you're about to place order. So this is also, this is the menu for my menu navigation. This is also the order navigation. You can see here I'm done on explaining home button, menu button, and then right now I'll be explaining the orders button, or the navigation. So likewise on my website design, you'll be seeing the four buttons for all the things. Either it's complete, canceled, and then ongoing product. So for ongoing product, you will see here. For completed delivery, you can see here, and then for the canceled product. So let's try to. So also, all these pages I applied repeated grid method, and also the horizontal and vertical scrolling. So let's try to play the prototype that I made. So if you click the logo of my shop, you'll be directing on the sign in page. So that's so for the sign in, you'll be now on the home page. The home page, there is a search bar where you can search your desired food or drinks. Okay, that's, and then you can, there is a back button. Also here, the categorize picture of my product. This is also clickable. If you click the picture, you'll be redirecting on the menu page according to the picture that you click. If you click the trendy and seasonal drinks, you'll be directing on the trendy and seasonal menu category, like this one, like that. Also, every picture here is clickable. And here, the featured menu is most likely the people's choice. And also here, the bestseller, you can see here. And then for this is for the card icon, you will be seeing the wait, I forgot to prototype this one. Okay. So for the cart icon, you'll be seeing the checkout page. Your checkout page, there is the pick up address, deliver at address. The pick up is where the store is, and then the deliver at is for all the the customer's address. Also here, you can see the amount of you can see the picture of your order. You can change the or the you can change the and then for the recommendation, this you can see also here. And then for the amount, the subtotal, and then like this, the payment details also, it is also clickable like that. There is different kinds of payment, such as the credit card, the Maya, and Gcash, or the cash. You can also link your cards here. And then let's go back like that. If you wish to add your senior ID or PWD ID, you can go here on this screen, then back, and then this one, if you place order, I don't have yet a screen page for that, so let's go back. So if that's it. If let's see, let's go for my menu. Let's see, this is also, you can swipe here, and then the horizontal scrolling, also you can click this one. So everything here is clickable. That light bites, scroll down, and then that's for the search page, like that. Also everything here, if on the menu categories, if I want to choose a drink that is non-coffee, you can just click this one, and then instantly you'll be redirecting on the non-coffee screen. So for this, I want also, then if you X this or click the X button, like that. Okay, so for my profile, and then track orders, I haven't have a page for that. While on the order, I have, this is your previous orders, and then ongoing, completed, and then canceled product. So that's all. My website and mobile, my so that's wrap my initial progress for both website and mobile design. I know I have still missing pages like the admin panel and the user page in mobile application. Thank you so much for listening, and let's see again for the next meeting. God bless everyone.